Tell the black girls we believe in their magic. Tell the black girls how they were born from a long tradition of black woman dream merchants, miracle makers, and superheroes. Tell the black girls how special powers are interwoven in their braids and cornrows, God gifted in the tips of their twists and locks. Tell the black girls how the others can only dream and imagine their powers. Tell the black girls we believe in their magic, and it's real. What's poppin', guys? Today we are working with WeQueen.com, and this is a braided wig. This is my first time trying a braided wig, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is what the lace is looking like, and right now I'm just putting powder on my hair, and I'm trying to cover this wig cap because I should have used a darker wig cap just to make it more natural. Now I'm just gonna throw on this wig. At the end of this video, I'll give you guys more information about this hair, like the specs, the length, so keep watching to the end. Okay guys, so this is what the hair is looking like without, you know, me gluing it down, me cutting down the lace. I can tell you guys already it's snug. You do not need to use got2b glue. They put an elastic band there for a reason. So far, like, it's already stuck. I just had to pause voiceover so say right there to say something. But anyway, let's go next. Here I'm just brushing the baby hairs that they added to the hair backwards, and then I'm cutting the lace for a smooth install. I am going to be using got2b spray actually, because I honestly just wanted the thing to be flawless. I wanted it to melt into my scalp, but you honestly don't have to. Did you see that ASMR right there? Yeah. But yeah, and now I'm putting powder on the lace just to make it blend into my skin properly. Now I'm gonna do some swoopity swoop for my baby hair, because, and I'm using mousse because I just want it to, so that it's not too hard and flaky and all of that. And yeah, that's another ASMR right there. Are you guys enjoying this little snippets of ASMRs? Comment down below if you want like a full-on ASMR video, because I'm thinking I might do one, because I actually enjoy watching these ASMR parts back. Okay. Ciao guys, this is my first time trying a braided wig, and I'm sold. I'm actually just sold. Like, look at this specs on the hair. This is a 13x5 glueless braided wig. It is 100% hand braided. Okay, the hands that braided this hair, God bless them, because the hair is neat and it's flawlessly, like, you know how there are some braided wigs that are literally, when you wear it, it's as if it's standing and it looks so obvious that you're wearing a braided wig. This one is flat up here, as you can see. It just mimics like you actually sat down to braid the hair, which I love. You guys, let me show you guys the back real quick. This is the back, okay? The density is just mad. Look at it from the side. It comes with baby hairs already. Nice. I didn't have to bleach this hair because it already came pre-bleached. In fact, as I'm talking, I'm already telling you guys the advantages. But yeah, it's in the color ombre, so you guys can see. I love it. It suits my skin really well, and it is 28 inches. Let me stand up so you guys can see. Look at this. It's literally giving inches. Like, can you see this? This is beach hair. We're going to the beach, baby. This is beach hair. Okay, yeah, now on to the advantages of this hair. First of all, the hair comes with a free gift, so you can either get hair rings or you can get a hair barrette, or is it barrette? You can get a hair barrette that comes with the box. The hair barrette is very limited, so it depends on if you know, you order first, it's first come first serve, and then they give you the hair barrettes. But I got the hair rings, and they give you a whole pack of them, and it's just different colors, you know. Let me even put some on my hair right now. You don't have to, like, personally I really care for them, but yeah, like, let's just see. It also comes with beads as well inside, and also the hair is quick and easy to go. Do you guys know how long it takes me to get my braids done? If I'm doing it myself, it takes a whole day. If someone else is doing it for me, it takes like, let's say 6 to 7 hours or 4 hours, depending on if the person is fast. But can you imagine this density of braids that I have on my head, neatly woven, that just took 10 minutes? It took 10 minutes. No need to sit down for long hours. I'm obsessed. It's just giving me, what's that artist? Beyonce, lemonade braids. This isn't really lemonade braids, but Beyonce has done this kind of braids before. I call this Ghana weaving. That's what I call this hairstyle. It's just nice. And then the ends too, I used to love thin ends like this. It's just perfect. Okay, last thing, last advantage, last one. It's so lightweight. You literally wouldn't get any headache if you're shaking, if you're dancing. This hair will just stay put and it wouldn't give you no headache. It's just perfect. This is a perfect spring and summer hairdo, and I am so here for it. So this hair is from WeQueen Official, and I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box if you guys would love to purchase their hair. And there's also a coupon code down there for you guys. Thank you, WeQueen, for sending me this beautiful hair, because I know I'm always saying I found everyday wig, but I found everyday braided wig, and this one is just perfect. Yeah, man. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you, WeQueen, for sending me this beautiful wig. I am obsessed. I am in love. I am slaying this hair summer, period. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, stay successful, and stay everything great and nice. Let me say something sensible. I've always been saying stay successful. Okay, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay successful, stay determined. That's too much. Okay, stay blessed, stay successful, stay beautiful, and stay everything great. I'm saying the same thing. Cut the cameras. Bye.
Dirty wine girl, don't need to read your mind, I can see the signs, girl. Hey, hey, if love is blind, girl, body like Braille, let me read between the lines, girl. Down like loose change, let's try new things. Way you shake your body, give me mood swings. Running through my mind, she go Usain. Got me thinking about giving her my last name.
The way you're moving, oh, my baby.
Tell me what's in there, your body.
They drive me crazy, oh, so crazy, oh, about you.